Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Shape of Dreams game crashing at a startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading problem, blue screen issue or black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to switch Steam to stable version. So open Steam. Go to Steam settings, then go to interface tab, and next to client beta participation, select no beta chosen. If you have selected Steam beta update, then select no beta chosen and then confirm it, and the Steam will launch automatically after that, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Second fix is to modify the game launch option. Try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Shape of Dreams game, then select properties. In the launch option, type -DX11, close the tab, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the properties, type -DX12, close the tab, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove this command, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Third solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on Shape of Dreams game, select manage browse local files. Now it will take you to the game installation folder. Here right click on Shape of Dream exe file and select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab, then select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then this time also select disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to properties, go to compatibility tab and untick all these three boxes and hit apply, OK, and then follow the other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. Now before performing a clean installation of graphic card driver, first update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website. If you are using AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website, and if you are using Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on the NVIDIA graphic card driver site, select your version of graphic card driver over here, then select the Windows operating system, then click on Finds, scroll down, the latest version is 581.29, select the GeForce Game Ready driver and then click on View. Now click on Download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow, and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC once and then launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website, the link is given in video description. Scroll down. Now download both x86 and x64 version. So click on both the link, then run both this exe file one by one and install it on your PC. So click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and then install it on your PC. You have to install both the version one by one on your PC, and after installing both the Visual C++ files, you can then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Sixth solution is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Now click on virus and threat protection, then click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, go to this PC, C drive, program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, shape of dreams folder, select shape of dream exe file and click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, then click on allow another app, click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, go to this PC, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, shape of dreams folder, select shape of dream exe file and click open, then click on add. In my case it is already added, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked, then click on OK and then launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender or any other third-party antivirus program, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. 7th solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder, go to C drive, program x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, shape of dreams folder. Now select shape of dreams exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the drop down and select high performance, and then you can launch the game and check. 8th solution is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on shape of dreams game and select properties, go to installed files, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the files you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. 9th solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows update and then click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available, then download and install them, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. 10th solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So close Steam, Epic's game launcher or other games launcher, disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controller, multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task of MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM, then relaunch Steam and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now 11th solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Shape of Dreams game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If you have already installed in C drive, then try installing into another external SSD drive and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by this way you can fix Shape of Dreams game crashing at a startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, blue screen problem or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.